Okay guys, so today we are talking about appreciation. Obi Ekene, or a heart of thanks, giving appreciation. Inye Ekene, mobo, inwo Obi Ekene, to show appreciation. Before we start, mince pies, anyone? Welcome back to Supu. Actually, kunu si mefe bia kani no kono no sonibo, monibo, eba, kita, ta, na Supu, the Igbo language cafe. Afam Bobby Okwalam, Abonye Kuzino. And you got no order. So Igbo kani no kodono. Patukene no kata. So that's what's gonna happen today. We're just gonna have a chat. So it's Christmas. It holds a ball. Achobima, kedu kande madosi akwado, make Christmas na abia. So we are in the Christmas season. You see it everywhere. Mabuno be ebembe. Ono bae na eba na elife. If you go into the shops, you see everything has been set up. There is tinsel everywhere, stars, beautiful decorations, Christmas tree. My little Sammy sees it. Sam of Furana Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. So that's it. Everybody is there's this whole Christmas buzz in the air. And everyone is into it. How are you getting ready for Christmas? What are you doing in preparation for Christmas? I shall tell you what I'll do. And also, why are you celebrating Christmas? That's another question that ndị mmadụ ndị na-akwadosi Christmas ma ndị mma echiche ma ndị mma keka Christmas si bido. People that know how it all started, those that do not know, why are you celebrating Christmas? Why am I celebrating Christmas? That's one of the things I'd like to touch also in this video. But the main thing is, like I said, appreciation. So 2018 mego afanwa obidogo na January jegide real December afona kwadozi mechi. So we have gotten to the end of the year. What have you achieved through this year? Who are the people that have blessed you? Kidindi jigo obi demma we metute kidindi obi ha metute go kidindi na chi metute. So who are you trying to bless, and who has blessed you? I think this is a time to appreciate those people, appreciate family, friends, loved ones. This is the time to say thank you in some way. Thank you in time. Say thank you with your time, or like visiting people, because I know that's one of the things we do back home. When I was a child, Christmas rura and mother na abia bai abia han no doin chan no don ayan no kudo ayan no gide no do no forget. So I remember spending a lot of time with my cousins, my siblings. On the whole, when my cousins back then, when we all come together in grandma's house, they're like 40 children, different age groups. We have chats and enjoy each other's company. We have friends visiting. One of the very special things about Christmas then and giving is that on Christmas Day, especially when we spend Christmas in Lagos, we will cook at home, and then my mom will dish out food in lovely dishes. We put them on trays and we take it to the neighbor, and the neighbor will bring food to us. So it was a time of sharing, it was a time of giving, it was a time of spending time with family and loved ones. So that's what Christmas is. However, Christmas is a celebration of the birth of the most special baby ever. Celebration of Jesus. He came down to die for our sin, but he came down and he came down and as a baby, and he grew in favor, in stature. Jesus grew and he lived out his life, to the point, up to the point of his death. But this period is a period of celebrating the birth of that special child, of God taking the time out to come here to live and experience a life as human for our sake. That's what Christmas is, celebrating the birth of that special, beautiful child, Jesus. Jesus may not have been born on the 25th of December. However, we Christians celebrate it as it's just like a reminder of when Jesus was born. Jesus may have been born in January, he may have been born in October. I think there's some people that believe he was born in October. But I digress. That's not the point. The point is that this beautiful child was born. Whenever he was born, we've chosen, or the Christians have, celebrate that remembrance of his birth on the 25th of December. That's the thing. However, the main thing is that this special child was born. So we're celebrating him. It's a time to also be thankful to people that have blessed our lives. In my life this year, it's 2018 has been really special. It's been, oh my god, 2018 now. I just remember that I need to be speaking Igbo, so I'm going to switch back to Igbo. After 2018, oga ofuma. Ọ bụrụ ngekuno n'ebe na-alụ ọlụ agaga ọfụma, ọlụ di m agaga ọfụma, ụmụaka na ụlọ akwụkwọ ihe niile ha na-eme ọ gasigo ọfụma. In this year 2018, I had my parents visit as well, and they spent absolutely wonderful time with me, and it was so special, having them with us. Back at home, I remember that during Christmas, children get excited about the clothes they will get. For Christmas, we all wear special clothes, buy beautiful clothes for us. I have an uncle who, whenever toys, like toy guns. People like never will buy toy guns for a child now, but back in the days, it was seen as nothing. Go get toy, my banga, my knockout, go juicy and mote, abia, naked balloon, my doll baby, my gene, just go get new marker. It was a time of giving, a time of sharing love in giving. It was a time of sharing money, giving out money to people that needed it, not like they're begging, but giving it out to people because it makes a difference in their lives. Now, oh my god, so we've got two family friends that we would like to appreciate as well. So what I thought was, how much will I give you to show that I appreciate you? Especially Ebanwa, if you get what I mean. Come here, come on, I don't want to give vouchers this year. That's something we've done in the past. I decided to make hampers. Hamper is like a basket or box of goodies. So here I've got a box of things that I have packed up myself. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, we'll just go forwards. So I made this hamper myself, and I'll let you know what I've done, because I was I'll let you know what I've done getting this ready, and I've got another empty box which I'm going to fill out right here in front of you guys, just to let you see how I went the whole process. I've got this basket. This basket is a hamper as well. However, I'm going to transfer everything here. I bought these things individually, by the way. I bought everything individually, so I'm just going to transfer things in this. This is an old basket I've always had, but I'll transfer things in this basket into this box, and I shall tie it up to look like this. Showing appreciation, it's important to let people, or to show people, how much you appreciate be the big things, the little things, everything. When people it's worth appreciating them, because many people do not have time, especially in the world we live in today that is so fast-paced. So for someone to actually come, it's just like somebody coming to your house and you just want them to go. Meanwhile, they have made out the time to come. I'm not saying that it's every time people come. But then when someone makes out the time to actually come, people that are normally very busy, and they come to see you, they come to help out, it's worth appreciating them. So the families that I would like to appreciate are making these hampers for now. They have given their time to support me and my family, and it has been absolutely amazing having them, in our lives. I don't know how people show appreciation. I would like to know. If you put it in the comments box, that would be fantastic. In the meantime, whilst I'm talking and before I get carried away, let's do these hampers together. So I bought this box. This is a it's called a Great British Hamper Company Create Your Own Hamper Box. Ego me hana TK Maxx. But I'm probably TK Maxx. TK Maxx, they have a home store or something, or a home store section. I think it's called the Home Sense. I think they call it Home Sense. It's called Home Sense. So I went into Home Sense. I actually went in to buy gifts for my friends at work, and because I was doing I was taking part in the Secret Santa at work, I went into Home Sense and I bought this. How much did I buy it? I think I bought this for $5.99. So that's about, can you see? Okay, I bought it for $5.99, so that's £6. And the good thing about it is that it comes with everything you need. It comes with the instructions on how to tie the ribbon, and there is the ribbon, which I have just this is the ribbon which I have very neatly tied out here as well. And the box also comes with, so these shredded paper, actually paper that's supposed to hold the gift together. So these shredded paper are supposed to hold the gift together as you pile them in, and it comes with the cellophane pack for tying things in. So what I like to just open it up a bit more so that it's everywhere. Hope you can see this. Okay guys, I've just come out here so that you will see me proper packing things. Now, one of the things I did before, or when I was planning to get these two hampers ready, was to find out what these families like, or individuals like. So I had to take their dietary consideration, or their dietary requirements into consideration when buying things. You know, I wouldn't give wine to non-wine drinkers or teetotalers, you know. So those are the kind of things I had to check, and which I expect people would normally, you know, because you're giving to people you care about, you will make the extra effort to find out what do they like, what do they organic, you know, so those are the kind of things I had to think about whilst I was getting this hamper, whilst I was buying things to put in the hamper. So like I said, I bought this box separately from Home Sense. Then I said I started going out to shops. I went to several shops, from Costco to TK Maxx to Home Sense again, to pick up the individual things I wanted to put in the box. Now I had the option of buying a whole hamper from, like, I saw a very good hamper in Costco, but it was quite wine heavy. I don't want people to go and drink their heads off at Christmas, although I'm not expecting these people to do that. However, for me, it wasn't I wasn't too keen on giving so much alcohol. So I thought, rather than just buying one hamper that's already been made by someone else, you know, to suit their own taste, to give out, why don't I buy things myself and then fill it up? That was the whole point. That's the reason why I decided to make the hamper myself. I think at the end of the day, I think by the time I bought everything and put them together, including the box, this hamper may just cost around about £40-50. I'm not sure. I can't remember how much I bought the things I put inside. So the things I'm putting in here, the first thing is I got something for breakfast. The Alpen Guinea, no added sugar, sweet muesli. A lot of the guys, a lot of them are well, not very. They're like elderly couples, so I'm not into buying too much sugar. Another one was I found this low sugar granola. I got this from Costco as well. So I'm putting it in here. I'm putting the big things at the back, and I need them to sort of form a sort of backdrop. Now, because these are large, I'm not letting them stay on the shredded paper. Makana uru shredded paper about because we jikodo so it's supposed to be self-support for the little things that are quite fragile, that could crack or break. Well, I have a box of pasta in the house, so I took spaghetti. which I am putting in here. Like I said, these bigger, longer things, I want them to be for a sort of backdrop. I picked that. I liked the box. It looks quite different. The reason why I went to TK Maxx to pick some things is because in TK Maxx you find some sort of exclusive things. You know, you find products that you may not see normally or in shops, regularly in regular shops. I'm a lover of I love olives, and because I'm giving pasta, I thought, you know what, let's add some olives to it. And I have another pasta, different pasta shape. Can you hear that, Monka? Radiatori. I think it's called radiatori because of the shape. It looks like it has the shape of a radiator. I don't know. I just made that up. Okay. Then, oh yeah, I bought this from Costco as well. You know, it's. I love the shape. I love the look. I love the red on it. I say, continue Ponka. So this was the chocolate I chose. Every year I like to see what chocolate is available in the shops, and the nicer looking ones. You know, although I didn't want to make this too alcohol heavy, I still wanted to put like a good bottle of wine. This is a 2014 classic Sauvignon, Australian. I said Sauvignon as if I know much about wine. You know, I just read it. If you look, you will see it. Southeastern Australian, okay, Monka, Cabernet Sauvignon. So I just like the way that sounds when I said it. So I put the wine, because it's quite fragile, the bottle, I put it right here. Good. Okay, something else is I found this lovely biscuits. I got these I think these are like Italian biscuits. They were a box of 3 from Costco as well. I've put one of them, I put the blue one in the other hamper I made. So I've got the red and the pink. I was gonna put the red here. Man, I can't nine away from a chocolate and nachi ngota. Na chaco red. On a chew here. When Simba continues or continue. So I'll put the pink one in here rather than the red one. I'm a mama would put it. I don't want to put, you know, so it's, you know. Oh, but I can see I've got one biscuit here. Maybe it's in can as well. I'm with Yanka. It's in you. Put it here. I don't want it to cover anything. It's here. I just put it. It also good, but I bought tea. I don't know how many people. I love tea. I love really good. That's upside down. So I found this again from TK Maxx. I don't want them to be too close to each other, so I'd rather just mix them. So it doesn't matter. Eventually, it doesn't matter. Okay, maybe if I put this here, leave that there. You know, it is a simple. Oh, something you must remember is to remove the price tag for me to. The one I did earlier, I left the price tag on it, so I had to put my hand in and pull it out again. So I've just taken the price tag off it. Oh, great. Okay. So just make it as neat as possible. I may call the mananya. Okay. My nail polish is coming off. And this. May I call it to mananya. Okay, so I've taken that off and I am putting it right in here. Okay, put that in here. So that's it really. So the next bit will be to tie. Well, so I'm gonna get this ready. This is the bag, cellophane bag for it. So I've done a bit of a practice for the first one. So I'm trying to make these 2 sides equal. And I've got some magic tape. It's just normal cellophane. So I get that and I put it right bang on in the middle. Like this. So I'm gonna get the ribbons, and I was saying that I've done it earlier, so I know what to do. And with this, I pull. They make these things so easy, don't they? This one's short now. I don't know why, and I'm gonna tie it all the way round. That's it. I have I've successfully made up 2 hampers. It didn't take me time, just about 5 minutes really. I think you know, where it took a bit of time was really buying the thing, deciding on what to buy, but then making it is so super easy. Remember that I also took some things from my cupboard. I found a few things like the pasta. I have boxes of pasta in the kitchen, so I just took a few of them, added it to this, and voila, I've got my 2 hampers, which I'm giving to these 2 special families that have been absolutely amazing to me and to my family. So today in Supu, as a reminder, we were talking about appreciation, how to show people that you appreciate them, especially in this season of Christmas. I'm not saying that you only show appreciation at Christmas, but not every time, all the time. You should always have that heart of thanksgiving, that heart of appreciation to families and friends and loved ones, even people you don't know. Someone does something special for you, even somebody opening the door for you, or somebody, you know, helping you to lift up a chair. It's worth saying thank you. It's good to say thank you. You know, it's good. It makes the world a happier place to live in. But this is Christmas. We're talking about Christmas, showing appreciation at Christmas time. You don't always have to give money if you do not want to. You could give vouchers, you could make hampers like I have done. You could buy your hampers. You could give flowers. Oh, I've got some flowers. You could give plants. We got this from we got this from M&S. My mother-in-law loves live plants, so we thought to get her live plants. I thought, yeah, just give it to her. She can add to her collection of beautiful plants in her house. So that's it. So guys, I'm Christmas. Mana ina chika ọnụ n'okita abụna kita anyị na-akwado Christmas, anyị na-akwado ịnọ, anyị na ụmụ nwanne anyị niile ga-anọdụ ọnụ maọbụ ọ bụrụ ndị enyi anyị ga-anọkọ ọnụ, ka anyị nọkọ ọnụ kene Chukwu. Let's remember to thank God as well. Ka anyị nọkọ ọnụ kenekwa Chukwu maka ndụ onye ga anyị ndụ, nye anyị amara, nye anyị obi. You know, He's given us so much, so we will also use the opportunity to thank God for His grace. Kene Jesus maka ka o si bịa n'ụwa amoya obilika anyị. He's lived our lives as well, so let's use the opportunity to thank family and most importantly thank God. This is Obi Today in Supu. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video if you like it. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please share it and comment. I'd like to know, how are you preparing for Christmas? I'm going to make more videos between now and Christmas time to show what I'm doing. Tomorrow, Hannah and I are going to be making I think I'll be making something special. But please watch out. Another video is coming up tomorrow, which I think you're going to enjoy, which I am sure you will enjoy. Subscribe to this channel, share this channel. Remember to ask your family and friends to subscribe and like this channel. Until then, Obi from Supu saying, Bode.